Hi there, Brenda. It's Marcy here, recording your video for you. I'm going to keep this short, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you 3 things you guys can do today to start bringing more business to your company. The things that I'm going to go over are content, citations, and backlinks. So content, what I mean by that is the information that you've got on the home page of your website. You can see you've got this little bit of writing here. Pictures or content is also. So Google likes to see anywhere from 1,000 to 1,500 words of content on a website. That's what helps them to serve up the most relevant results. When somebody types something in the browser, they're going to go out there and crawl the web, and this is how they tell. So for an example, if they had a couple of sites side by side, and one only has 100 or so words of content, the next one's got 1,000 to 1,500, they're going to see the one with the 1,500 words of content as the expert. So that's one of the very strong things that they use when they're deciding where to rank a website. So that one carries a lot of weight, and all these tips that I give you, all you really need to do is just go out and do the research and see what your competitor's doing. I can tell you right now, for the content, it's one of the most neglected features of website building across the entire internet. So the nice thing about that is it's easy to beat your big competitors, and then you're going to be the one when Google crawls the web to go, okay, here's the expert. So there's content. Backlinks. What a backlink is it's a link from a third-party site coming into your site. The internet's like a big popularity contest. So when other sites link to yours, vote for you, aka they're giving you a link back to your site. That in turn moves your site up through the search engines. Now, in saying that, it doesn't mean always more is better. Quality is definitely gonna win out over quantity, over the volume of them. But I put your site into this tool that tells me what you have going on behind the scenes, so you have a reasonably solid backlink profile. But like I said, like everything, you just go and do the most out of all of your competitors, and then you're going to be sitting on the top of page 1 for the Google search. So it shows me that you have 37 websites on the internet referring back to yours, that you're being found for just about a little over 300 words, and that from the work that you've done in regards to your backlink profile, you got 94 visitors to your website last month. Now the third thing that I'm going to go over is citations. What a citation is, it's a place on the internet where you're going to find your business name, address, and phone number. So these here are citations, the Google map listings, because you have your name, address, phone number. So the content and the backlinks tend to help push you up we call this section down here below the maps, the organic rankings, help to push you up there. Whereas a big amount of the power that's pushing you up to be higher in the map section is the amount of citations that your company has. So the amount of times across the internet that the Google finds when it goes out and crawls that you have your business cited. So just try to get it into as many directories as you can, just like the other two. Go out and beat your competitors, and in the long run, you're going to have far more visibility on the internet than everybody else. In turn, then you're going to have more of the customers also. So I'm going to shoot this off in an email to you, Brenda, and follow up to make sure that you did in fact get it and it didn't land in a spam folder somewhere. And thank you very much for taking my call. Bye.